Hey there, boxing enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the Hayabusa T3 Boxing Bundle, a game-changer for anyone serious about their training. This bundle includes a pair of sleek black T3 boxing gloves and perfect stretch 4.0 boxing hand wraps, designed to elevate your performance in the ring. The T3 boxing gloves are a revolutionized training glove, crafted with a decade of sports science and research, offering unparalleled protection, comfort, durability, and fit. These gloves feature patented technology that sets a new standard in boxing gear, ensuring your hands are well protected during intense sessions. Complementing the gloves are the Mexican-style hand wraps, made from a perfect latex-free cotton elastane blend, providing just the right amount of stretch and an ultra-soft feel. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting, this bundle is designed to meet all your training needs, offering a seamless blend of innovation and tradition. So gear up with the Hayabusa T3 Boxing Bundle and experience the difference in your training sessions. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.